Ji, Assalamu alaikum and good morning nursery class. So welcome to our the most respected month of Ramazan nursery class. So today is 2nd of Ramazan nursery class. I wish you a very happy Ramazan and may Allah accept your all prayer and rosas this Ramazan. Okay, and may Allah protect you and us from all sins and bring you peace, joy, and hope in this holy month of Ramzan nursery class. Okay, so nursery class today is your SST class. Every Thursday will be your SST class. So I decided, why don't we learn something about Allah? Why don't we get benefit of this holy month nursery class? So you are small now, so that is why I select that why don't we learn two words every week, and you will learn these words with meaning, and every day. Okay, you have to promise me every day you have to read these words 100 times on a tasbih. Okay, I have sent you how to do Wazu Nursery. Okay, first you watch the video 2 times or 3 times very carefully. Then you will do the Wazu Nursery and you will read these two words on Tasbih. Okay, if you are a girl, take the dupatta. If you are a boy, then wear the cap on your head. And then you have to make a video for me. Okay, you will make a video of how to do wuzu. Okay, plus you will, after doing wuzu, you will read a tasbih. Okay, and you will send it to me. I will reopen the group tomorrow only just to watch these videos. Okay, we will share these video so more and more kids will get come to this point that we have to do the wuzu and read the Allah name. Okay, you are a kid and you time Allah will give you 100 or 1,000 times more swab than us. Okay, and after doing tasbih you will do the dua for your mama, your papa, your grandparents, and then for your school, and then you for teachers. Okay, then Allah resolve all the problems and give us prosperity and success in our life, in our deen and dunya. Okay, so nursery class, our first word is Al-Rahman. Al-Rahman. And you know the meaning of Al-Rahman is most merciful. Al-Rahman का मतलब होता है रहम करने वाला. Allah is the one who is the most merciful. Okay, nursery class, Al-Rahman is your first word. And your second word which you have to memorize is Al-Rahim. Al-Rahman, Al-Rahim. Al-Rahim also have the similar meaning like Al-Rahman, ever merciful. उर्दू में इसका मतलब होता है बड़ा मेहरबान, प्यार करने वाला. Okay, nursery class, on every bead of tasbih you have to read like this: Al-Rahman, Al-Rahim, Al-Rahman, Al-Rahim, Al-Rahman, Al-Rahim. Okay, make the video and then do send to me. Okay, now open your SST book and we will start doing our SST work. Thank you, nursery. So nursery class, teacher Faiza has opened the book and your today page number is 1919. What is your book page number? It's 1919, nursery class. Okay, so nursery class, what is day today? G, nursery class, today is 1515 dash 4 and dash 2121, and write down here class work. Okay, nursery class, so today we have to read about shapes, colors and numbers. Okay, we have read about all the shape in maths book, and we have done the activity. I think we have done twice or thrice the activity of shapes. we cut different sort of a shape and make different things like caterpillar, boy, rat, and different things like that. Okay, you memorize nursery? Very good. So nursery class, today we also have to review about the shape. This, what is this color, nursery class? This is green color. Okay, and what is the shape? This is oval shape. What is the name of the shape, nursery class? Oval. You know what is the shape of the egg, nursery? G. The shape of the egg is oval. What is the spelling of oval? O-V-A-L. Oval. And one more important thing, nursery class, mama is not allowed to write on the book. Okay, I write and I told each and everything to you. Okay, so you have to write it by yourself. So nursery class, this is green color and this is oval shape. Okay, this is green color and this is oval shape. Now nursery class, move to the next shape. What is this shape? This is triangle shape. What is this shape? This is triangle shape and this is yellow color. Try, capital T-R-I, try. Then put a small dash and then angle, A-N-G-L-E, angle. Triangle. This is yellow color and this is triangle. And what is this shape? This is circle shape. This is circle shape. This is an orange color and this is circle shape. What is the spelling of circle, nursery class? C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Okay, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Okay, nursery class. Now move to the next shape, nursery class. This is rectangle shape. This is rectangle shape which have two big line and two small lines. Okay, this is rectangle shape. And what is the spelling of rectangle, nursery class? R-E-C-T, rect, then A-N-G-L-E, angle. Rectangle. Now move to the next shape, nursery class. This is square shape. This is square shape. And this is blue color. This is blue color. Square. Write down the spelling of square, nursery class. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Okay, nursery class. Now move to the next shape. You are kids, so we will take it as a diamond shape. What is the name of this shape, nursery class? Diamond shape. D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. I hope that you have write the name, nursery class. Now teacher will do the color and will share with you. Okay, you can do the color of your choice. Okay, nursery class, do color and then come to me. Nursery class, I am back with coloring. See, I have done the beautiful coloring in the picture. So as you have to do the coloring, move to the next page, which is page number 2020. I have also done the coloring in this. Okay, nursery class, so you can write the name with me. What is this, nursery class? This is a banana. What is this nursery class? This is a banana. And what is the color of banana, nursery class? Yellow. What is this color? Yellow. So write down the spelling of banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Okay. So what is this, nursery class? This is a tree. This is a big tree. And what is the color of the tree? The color of the tree is brown and green. The color of the tree is brown and green. So what is the spelling of tree, nursery class? Capital T R double E tree. Okay, nursery class. So come to the last picture. What is this? This is a ball. What is this, nursery class? This is a ball. And nursery class, you can do the color of your choice. Okay, you can do the choice of color in the ball. I have done the multicolor in the ball. So what is the spelling of the ball, nursery class? B A double L ball. Okay, nursery class, I have finished the coloring in the pictures. Now move to the next portion, nursery class. Now they are saying make a pattern with the shape. You can make any pattern. Okay, nursery class, today I thought, why don't I make a house with the shapes? Okay, nursery class, let's come and make a house with the shape. So nursery class, see, I have take the computer sheet, A4 size computer sheet. Okay, nursery class, you can take the any color of sheet by your choice. Okay, nursery class, I have white, so that is why I took the white, nursery class. So nursery class, first of all, I will make the green boundary of it. Okay, nursery class, it is of rectangle shape. Okay, nursery class, what is this shape called? This is rectangle shape. Okay, nursery class, which have two equal sides. Here are two equal and here are two equal. Okay, nursery class, I will put a glue and paste it over here like this. Okay, let me paste and then I will show you. Okay, I will come back. Nursery class, today I didn't purchase anything, promise. I'm using the things which I have already used in my last activities. Now nursery class, I have cut the black sheet in this shape. Okay, nursery class, you can say this is a cylinder shape and I will use it as a road. Okay, nursery class, I will fix over here. Okay, let me fix and then I will show you. Okay, nursery class, you see I have put a green boundary and then a black road in it. You can use your choice of color scheme that available is with you. Now nursery class, I have a yellow computer sheet which I cut it in a square shape. Again, I will put the glue at the back and fix it over here. Okay, nursery class, let me fix and then come back to you. Okay, nursery class, I have put a square shape like this. And you know what I'm making? Yes, I'm making a house. Now I have cut a blue sheet like this, nursery class, and I will fix it over here. Okay, nursery class, let me fix and then come back to you. Now nursery class, I am using a rectangle shape again. I cut it from any wrapper. I think I have a wrapper, from there I cut this part. Okay, you can take the thing from the home, you just need to search, and I will make door out of this. Okay, let me fix and then come back to you. See nursery class, I have fixed the door. Now there is need to put two windows, nursery class, and I have cut these two windows in the blue sheet. You remember I have all these sheet with me. Now I will fix and then come back to you. Okay, nursery class, I have put two windows, nursery class. Now there is and it is of square shape. Let me tell you, this is of square shape. Now nursery class, I have cut the trees and I will fix two trees over here. I think I have cut a big trees. Let me cut and make it short. Okay, and I will then come back to you. So nursery class, what I was doing, I was putting the tree under in the house. Okay, we have to put the tree out of the house. Okay, nursery class. So I cut the trees in the triangle shape. This is of the triangle shape, nursery class. And where are the its trunk? Yes, I have cut its trunk, and the trunks is of again rectangle shape. Okay, nursery class, I will fix the trunks over here and then come back to you. Okay. Okay, nursery class, got it? This is a square shape, this is a cylinder shape, then this is a square shape, this is a rectangle shape, this is again a square shape, this is a triangle shape, and the yellow is a square shape. Then this is rectangle shape, and this is a triangle shape. Now you know that last time we have the stars and moon, so I thought don't make it a daytime. Okay, so I didn't make a sun. I will put the stars and moon over here. See, nursery class, this is of the star shape. Okay, in shapes we always remember the star shape. And let me show you the moon shape. G nursery class, this is of moon shape. Okay, I will fix the stars over here on the sky, and then I will fix a moon. Okay, so in this way our shapes get complete. So nursery class, see, our beautiful activity is get ready with the shapes pattern. Okay, nursery class, we have beautiful done our shape pattern. Nursery class, now you can staple this page over here. Okay, you can staple this page over here. Okay. So once again, wish you a very happy Ramzan nursery class, a blessed Ramzan nursery class. Do pray for your mama, papa, and also for your teacher. Okay, so try to be stay in home, stay healthy, eat healthy. Okay, nursery class, goodbye and Allah Hafiz. In nursery class, once again, don't forget to send me the video tomorrow. Okay, you have the time till tomorrow. You have to send me the video of doing the wazu and doing the tasbih of the two names of Allah that I have told you. Okay, goodbye, Allah Hafiz.